Where are they now? The girl who went viral for sneezing over 12,000 times a day. This is Caitlin Thornley, and in 2015, she randomly started sneezing and all of a sudden couldn't stop. Her sneezing over time became more and more extreme, so Caitlin's mom took her to the doctor. But medical professionals were stuck trying to figure out how to help her, with her illness being so rare that less than 1,000 people on Earth have it. But unfortunately, her sneezing never seemed to improve, eventually being diagnosed by doctors with streptococcal infection, caused by a group of bacteria that builds in your sinuses. As of today, Caitlin is still struggling with her condition and keeps out of the public eye.